Got a creek that comes through the property, and when the house was built in 1958, they had the idea to run the creek in a culvert under the property. So this is the culvert here, 24-inch culvert. It runs for about 240 feet till it gets to the city's manhole, and it is running under the property. So today I ran a video camera through the line. I had contacted some services, so gentleman to come out and run the camera, and he said it would be about $500 an hour. So went online and bought a video recorder and went ahead and ran the camera through the line. Got the camera online for about 500 bucks. So here's the kit. It's a HBUDs. It's got 50 meters of cable. So it's got 165 feet of cable. I went to Target, bought a little radio flyer wagon. I mounted the camera to the wagon. I got some PVC conduit for $1.93 a stick at Lowe's. I used some hitch pins, and I drilled the PVC pipes so that the hitch pins held them together. You have male on one end and female on the other end. And as you can see, I used the hitch pins to attach the PVC through the wagon. It goes through the wagon. It's got 4 wheels on it there and a nice little handle. So I ran it through there, routed the cable through, and then mounted the camera to the wagon with some screws. And this gives me my first 10-foot length. And so this is number 1. We had alignment marks, so when the pipes go together, the pins will fit properly. So there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 10-foot sticks, 120 feet. So I was able to clip these together, and because the pins have a little loop on the end, I was able to use that as a guide for the cable. So as the cable went through, I just ran it alongside of the PVC, going through each of those little pins. And for good measure, I tied a reel of rope just in case something broke. Didn't want to lose the wagon down the line, so I used this to tie it all together, and was successful running the camera through. I got the best video on the way back. On the way down, I was kind of pushing, but on the way back, I was pulling, so it came back real easy, and got nice clear video on the way back, a little bit bumpy on the way out. But anyway, this is a poor man's way to do a large pipe video. I did this, of course, to make sure that it was in good shape, because it was put in 1958 and it had a liner in it, and I wanted to make sure the liner hadn't started any problems, no roots or debris or cave-ins or anything like that. So anyway, worked out real well. And if you're interested in saving a few bucks and running your own video through, this is something I'll use for lots of other projects for 500 bucks, rather than throw $500 an hour at somebody and have them drive away. At the end of it, I ended up with a nice little setup here to run my little cart through the pipe. All right, have a good day.